Morning, lad. Yeah, then. Anything. Don't look for your day. Gonna show what happened for me. For me. It was. Holy shit. This is dito nga ako. Okay. Tata. Dito nga ako. Okay. Trying to get that one. It's so hard. But I didn't understand what the coding is. It won't be behind them. It will be good if just put it here. Now it looks like the melodies big guys. Just just put it like that. See, it's perfect. Perfect for ending. Hey. What's gonna be? Up, up. It will be perfect for this.
Ano tira mo kaya kayo? Ilid. Ako mo yan.
Hey guys, we're gonna talk to this. Melons are too big. Too big. Melons get too small. They get too strong. Like this smallest melon. Smallest melon didn't even get even a scratch. It's even stronger. And look what happened to melon. It's coming. Let's see. See, he never died. That's gonna be weird. Melon can be on the phone. Take it out. Yeah, take it down, monster. Okay. Easy. Just one and it's this brings let's fly away. Oh my god. Items. Oh, sweet no. Everything just gets destroyed. Yes, like that. Oh, I won't even die on this. What's the one seven? What's this? Let's, let's see what I did in my life. I did it very much. Step fine. Void infection. Oh, I saw this. Oh, shit. It's a girl. Use the attack. It's tiny corn again. In the tiny spot now. Yes. Oh my man. Man. And Superman. Upset. 251 people in Sunday. Lord. I am sure. Oh. Yeah. Became the most famous supper. So, this is the small parallel. Remember now, not often. Everyone is being too loud here, so this brings on the stalker is a person who stalks people to predict who their presence and eating presence alive is usually children. Skybox escape of made this bunch of skybox escape. I put I put melon together. It's completely destroyed. That's it to the yeah. Why Superman is still here? I can't be deleted by me again. Again I said you sleep videos was collab. It's on the syringe. Remember that's how to the holy Madam mate just check me though. Actually it's Adam. It's Elmo. Elmo. Apple. Holy shit. This apple is useless. Anyway, nothing. Never mind. It's not even a dead fish, lol. Secondly, big melon. It's just a big melon. But can just kick Billy like that. Bloodman. Bloodman. Where's Bloodman? Again, where's Bloodman? There is the Bloodman. He was killed. Bomb and bomb that can explode when you explode when you explode. Building. It's a building. Is it for destroying? Making a like a destroyed building. I used to just make it unspoken. Builderman is gonna just clean it again. Finally, I'm done with the dumb work. Cactus in a pot. Cut. I'm a big fan. It's from Cactus. If it's ugly. Look, can make one. Holy, it's big. Malan is corrupted. I'm a costume this month. I made already. Stairs. Wait. Holy shit, that's gone right. I might delete it. Yeah. I think I deleted it. Because of being so. Dark Lord created it. Oh my god, the dragon! This I created space with child. And I created it again. So I missed it. I still do not want to make the version 2. Version 2. It will have some part of this tail, and this thing will have more spikes. And it will, his eyes can be fire, fire. And some, something I want to do. His his feet. Oh my god, I have to. Wanna see it playing it? It can kill me. Yes, that thing is so loud. I heard that at the back seat. Stop. It's being too loud. My sister is probably. Yes, kill that. Go kill him. That's what? Why am here to make some videos? Videos of what? Making you it drama. And thus and thus. This is emotion. You can make emotion. Empty block. Easy. There's another one. I never fix this. I'm never gonna fix this. No, I fixed this a long time. You just like that. Evil melon. Oh my god, he does it a bit. Pile of blanks. I don't know why I made this. But it will begin. Okay. Holy shit! So many more of them. Watermelon. You're this little blanks. RIP to him. Man. Giant clunker. Clunker. Giant clunker. B2. The B2 of him. It's much more stronger with the sword and can reach over the mass. See, slice him up. There's so many posts he made. Okay. Okay. Where's that robot? Giant Elon versus giant robot. Oh, I'm. Oh, but you're dead. Parker. Oh my God, Parker should get killed. He's gonna go on a video. And giant melon. Giant melon. Glitch infection. Oh my God, there's so many of them. There's over. This guy is still dead. I'm waiting it for the rock. Golden melon. And yeah, more. It's golden apple. Glowing up. Golden melon and yeah. Still that one. Should put them in black. Gooba. Gooba is there to kill melon. Or wait. Still not dead. Man. Got a melon. I'm gonna take it out. Here's two. It's brain. But abyss brain. Where's his eyes gone? Green ghost. He's from Invincible. Gunman. There's almost 51 of them. Gunman. Die all of them. Granadas. And granadas. Happy melon. Die. Headless melon. Completely having no melon, said. Mm. You, you can put his head like this. And like, boom! Help melon! You can see him flying in the air. Or melon, Baba! Help. This is a fake monster. Oh, yeah! Oh my. Where's my homie? Is homie gone? Bye, homie. Oh my god. This thing is making me go back to horrors. They don't wanna make me feel I'm gonna be a horror. Man. My house. This is my house. Oh my god. You, what the shit? Cactus! You, shoot, yes! Oh god, disappeared. Yes. Yeah! Hunter! This is a hunter that since been alive 251 years. And this is ID2. This is from Battle 8 Redux, where you play as an ape. This is the guy with the sword and have no arm on the left. And in cute, oh my gosh, John and John, oh, John, John zombie form. Oh shit, John, John from Little Ape, the biggest one. The stick. Here, either. Oh, he's big. Kenny, they killed Kenny. Killer Deep Sea. Oh my god, he lost his teeth. He was clearer. He killed Pestons. This is oh, oh shit. Thanks all of it, my scam. Oh, this thing is kidding me. Oh my god, don't leave it. I'm the king of the bad and the night. Turn. Cuss. Cuss is smarter than now. He know how to use snipe. L. It's an L. Made out of melon. Kill Lake Killer. It kills melon. Holy shit. Anyways, let's. What happened to you? I'm lazy to call this, but it's something where you destroy. It's something where you destroy it by using any object. Like, so wrong. Just wait until I found it. You can just place it. I'll wait a minute. Oh, finally. It's a lemon! Lemony! Oh, it's actually orange apple. LOL. IDKY made this a big balloon that was developed since 2051. And this is lost from apple. Aluminum melon. Aluminum tomato. Aluminum melon killed from aluminum. Lurker. Mafia Mel. Elmo. Almost being crazy today. Melons. Kill Mafia Melon. C is stronger. Mango. Maxwell. Where's Maxwell? Maxwell, you got a beard. Me, B2. This is me when my second version. Mabektion become older. Meatman. Letter 8. Medics.
Bakit? Bakit walang pasok kami bukas? Doon!
Tanong na tanong. Med. They medic patients. This is what I like. Meron can learn how to roll his head like a monster. Oh my god. The Meron gangs. Let's show them what. I think we know I don't know. Let's show them. Tayo.
Pati na kami sarap. Ano yung picture niya?
Uwi na sa bahay. Ay, ko na mag-shot ito, Ari. Ito, i-shot mo yan. Kay kuya yan. Yan. Tapos bago kayo humiga, magbukas kayo pa.
Oh my God!
Oh, ito.
Tayo daw tayo. Lakas na ulan.
Apa.
Ano? Wala na kasi anak.
Weakness. I got weakness.
Ati na po.
Sige pa ako. Lord, I love you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you. The melon gun is here. Okay. Man. There are so many melon heads. You can. This is a melon style. You can go. Go, Marami.
Mama, okay lang tayo.
Melon speed. I think this is melon speed. Melon skeleton head.
Hindi na uwi.
Millions of Cetus. Never try it on home, but it's never try it when it's so If I put
doon.
in
Hindi. Hindi.
this
Hindi na.
Pinoy Destroyer game or PC.
Wala. Doon na talaga sila sa room. Ang kinakain na nila. Yun.
No, walang dalang
Oo, wala. Oo. Eh di yun, no. Mamaya-maya. Kasi pag umuwi siya, wala na rin siya pamasahe pabalik. Kaya inisip niya.
Hindi mo naperan.
Ha?
Pagkain.
Sinat ko. Sabi niya, mama, huwag na nandito na po.
Oh my god.
Sabi niya,
I'm
oo,
lagging.
Kasi ang time nila, ang nakain sila alas 7.
Nirecord yun eh.
Oo, wala. Walang tanghali.
I only put 4
Time
of
na
them
nila
so
yun.
it won't
Ano yung lunch
lag.
nila?
Oo. Oo, ang time na nila yun. Kaya sila yun. Oo. Eh di yun, no. Nangyari, pagka di, ano na, di Kiana. Oo. Si Kiana naman. Si Kiana naman. Ginawa, si Kiana naman, ang ginawa, wala ko hatidan. Kaya sabi ni Tia, pag na nahatidan ko na, magbinago.
Oh my god, I'm never gonna do that. I'm lagging.
Tiyo to, kagabi? Kahapon?
Never to.
Kanina? Tiyo to, wala na lang.
Look what happened. Why it's so big? I made so many things. I'm gonna do this.
Aba naman, ang pilit kahapon. Thermometer ko. Sabi ko, hindi kasi nga nakatawan. Pag-thermometer. Oo, pag-thermometer si 30.9. Sabi ko, Kasi wala. Oo. Hindi ako ng bio-beauty. Pinakit ko, pinainan ko. Tapos kung kailangan ko, nagkakang na. Nangadala. Oo, nakano din ako. Kaya nga napalo ng ama ang.
Sinahayaan na.
Di yan na, napalo na. Si Jumper, niya dilinda si Jumper. Paano kasi di niya nakasaray sila si Jerry. Akala niya, matapang taas doon ng bukila. Akala na baka jumajumper sa kanila.
Monotone.
Ha?
Oh my god, monotone. Blimps getting off. It's scary, but not nah. Melon money. I love money. Mortal. He's not invincible. He doesn't have fighting. It's named Mortal instead of Immortal. See? You did that. Second.
Hindi ko rin mo, tiya ala. Alam mo lahat ng tiya, iba ako ano nang ginagawa ha. Ang tiya nag-iige.
Mountains. But very ugly. Get out of here. It's the solar ball.
Oo, nakakabuisit. Ha? Hindi namin alam. Ha? Hindi namin alam kung kaninong dugo. Tapos sa longko, sa longko. Oo, ay, speaking. Oo. Ano totoo? Una. Hapon. Alam mo, nandun ako sa kubot. Oo. Tanga, doon sa may amin yun. Gumano na ako sabi. Gano'n lang. Inura ko. Ang inabot din ang mga matyan. Kaninong baba? Alas tuloy. Parang, pagtingala akong gano'n po taragis. Ibong itim, umiigit ko. Oo, sabi pa ka. Sabi pa naman. Sabi ko, ay, naririnig mo niyan. Dinig ko. Kaya ka pala muna
This is
ng muna
good.
kada madaling araw na may kaaway. Nahapos ko naman dito.
Yay! Again.
Dinig din pala nila tatay, oh. Sinasabihan sila.
Kasi yun dyan naman. It was shorted so many
Parang
times.
may laging pala eh.
Kasi,
Pag sarado kayo nagsasatak sa'yo,
copyright.
Nakakadala sa kanilang bumili talaga. Kaya sabi ko nga, wag na magsasalita na ganito ng gano'n. Ano kayo sabi sa kanila? Sasabihin ko naman talaga tunay na dahilan ko. Hello? Walang yan, sinigilitang niya pumapatay sa mga bata. Pinuntahan sila kaya. Tama. Diba nung pinainap doon na tulo si Sherwood.
Oh? Anong ito?
Eh,
Bago lang yan?
Nung linggo lang. Hindi ako sumagot.
Sino kasama ko?
Si Jack.
Alam mo ba? Ano? Tapos, sabi ko kay Babulat.
Oo, sinumong din sa akin yan ni Kian. Si Kian nga nasumbong. Si Kian na nasumbong din sa akin, si Jay. Sabi, Lolo Jay, sabi daw po ni Ali, Jay, Jay Ilong, mamatay ka na.
Oh?
Sabi, Jay, oo. Ulit-ulit, sinumbong ni Kian. Iyo Jay. Lolo Jay, sabi daw po ni Ali, madaw po kayo. Di ba, nasa Iyo Jay. Siya mamatay.
Ayun yun, narinig ko lang. Pagbalik niya. DJ, na-follow ko na. Yun, na-follow.